Every year, the world grows over 180 million tons of tomatoes.
But almost no one has ever seen how this journey truly begins.
This is not farming anymore. This is industrial food at its source.
In just a few hours, these fields will completely disappear.
From this moment, time becomes the enemy.
Once the harvest starts, it cannot stop. Every second now counts. What you see here is not a field. It is a production line. And the flow will only get faster. This is where the world's tomatoes begin their final journey. Once the sun rises, the clock starts working against the harvest.
Heat drains moisture from every fruit.
Speed is the only defense against the heat. Moisture vanishes faster than the eye can follow. The harvest races against the sun.
There are no pauses in this race.
Every delay costs flavor. Damage sprees faster in the heat. The process begins the moment the fruit leaves the vine. From this moment on, nature sets the tempo. Once the product becomes liquid, it is never allowed to touch the ground. Every movement must be precise.
One mistake can slow thousands.
The crop pushes forward under its own weight.
Mass is never passive.
Tension replaces strength.
Fatigue is managed in motion.
This is synchronized survival.
Here, humans don't stop the flow. They move with it. This is what industrial abundance looks like.
More tomatoes than a town could eat in a year.
Each impact must remain harmless. One fruit disappears into the system. Weight becomes the enemy. Pressure must be controlled. The crop overwhelms the system.
This is no longer harvesting. It is flooding.
And it is only getting faster. Instability spreads in seconds. Overflow can crush the harvest. One rupture can trigger a chain reaction. Reaction time defines success. Failure is contagious.
Balance is constantly rebuilt.
Order returns in motion. The system stabilizes. Recovery is part of the process. Until the next disruption.
Not every red is the same.
Ripeness is measured, not guessed.
Texture reveals chemistry.
Elasticity means readiness. Ripeness must be symmetrical. Different ripeness, different destiny. The harvest sorts itself through physics.
Too late is just as dangerous as too early.
This is the perfect balance.
From here, it will become a product.
Here, gravity becomes the most powerful machine of all. No motors, no engines, just mass and motion. Every drop converts height into speed. Humans don't lift the harvest, they steer it. Weight reshapes the flow. Even fruit competes under gravity. This slope feeds the entire system. Impact becomes rhythm.
When gravity surges, humans yield.
All paths collapse into a single flow. From this point, speed outruns the sun. The convoy never fully stops. Packing happens without pause. This is harvest under pressure. Cold becomes the new guardian. Every second sealed saves flavor.
The harvest scatters across the map.
Even in motion, the fruit never rests. Logistics becomes the hidden battlefield. The harvest now belongs to the road.
This is where agriculture becomes industry.
The flow is never allowed to break. The field collapses into steel and speed. Inside, scale multiplies. Even chaos is fed back into order. The factory shakes under the weight of food. Temperature shock begins instantly. Now the harvest disappears inside the machine. There is no such thing as first or a last here.
From this point on, the tomato will never be the same again.
The first barrier between field and food safety is water.
Every trace of the field must disappear.
Cleanliness here is industrial, not cosmetic. Each impact is washed clean in motion.
What leaves this floor never returns to the fruit.
The river never pauses for cleaning.
From this point, only the fruit remains. The factory now owns the harvest. And speed becomes the next filter.
Now, the harvest begins to organize itself.
Size defines destiny.
Every dimension feeds a different product.
Human hands correct what physics almost perfects.
Sorting without stopping the flow.
Shape becomes data without numbers.
Imperfection is removed instantly. Order is rebuilt in motion. One harvest, many futures. From here, the tomato stops being whole.
This is the moment structure ends.
Solid becomes liquid in seconds. This is the birth of sauce. Thousands of fruits become one stream.
Nothing disappears. Everything transforms.
Even liquid needs direction.
Viscosity replaces speed.
Separate harvests become one body.
Energy is now stored inside the product.
From this point on, there is no going back.
Now heat becomes the final gatekeeper.
Flavor is locked in through controlled fire.
This heat treats thousands of tons every hour. Inside the mass, chemistry is rewriting flavor.
Temperature is monitored by human judgment.
Heat reshapes texture.
The factory now holds boiling food.
The product survives its first transformation.
This is where raw becomes stable.
Now the tomato is ready to be refined.
Now the tomato is purified. Texture is stripped down to essence.
Only only liquid consistency survives.
Every imperfection is left behind. Maintenance happens inside motion.
Density becomes power.
Color reveals the strength of flavor.
This is where sauces are born.
The tomato reaches its final identity.
From here, it becomes product.
This is where flow becomes food. Every container is filled without hesitation.
Millions of tomatoes become identical products.
Even the final step needs human timing.
Once sealed, the tomato cannot return.
Heat gives way to stability.
This is the moment of completion.
The harvest now exists as inventory.
From soil to shelf.
This is the sound of the entire journey.